Grand Theft Awesome 4.
Well, fuck that. I'll get the cab.
No! What the hell? I don't want to check him! God damn it! No, this game never does what I fucking ask it to do! God, Jesus! Fucking physics engine! Hey look, a flying red! You've been a shit up my ass for too long! What the fuck? Get down on the ground, sir! You'll never get me. I have cheats. Quick, shoot the noob! What? Fucking hell! Okay, let's see. Now they'll never catch me. Good, let's go bowling. For the last time, Roman, I don't want to go fucking bowling! Okay, maybe another time. Ah! Hey! I'm alive! God damn it!
Land of opportunity, my ass.
Just give me a fucking bike so I can go home, okay? Duh! A lot of fucking good you are to me up there! You piece of shit! Shit! My fucking balls! I'm about to die. A hot dog stand, please! I need help!
Hey, get out of the road.
I hate this country. Now's my cue to come from nowhere with a shotgun and blow the fuck out of you! I paid $50 for this?